Hello dear fans. How does a scorpion get food? Scorpions are one of the most ancient creatures that inhabit our planet. Their level of adaptability is comparable only to that of cockroaches. Their incredibly low metabolism helps them go without food for months, sometimes years. There are about 800 species of scorpions in the world that inhabit the most different parts of our planet. Instructions. Step 1. Until recently, relatively little was known about the life of scorpions, until scientists accidentally discovered that the shell of this animal emits a greenish glow in ultraviolet rays, possibly in order to attract insects. This discovery shed light on the shadowy side of scorpion life. Considering that their main activity occurs in the dark, there were quite a few of them. Step 2. During the day, scorpions hide in shelters, on the ground or among the branches. Some species spend more than 95% of their life in this frozen state, waiting for prey to find them. The diet of a scorpion is varied and unpretentious, all kinds of insects, small reptiles, for example, lizards, and even mice. In the struggle for survival and domination, scorpions gladly eat their weaker fellow tribesmen. The only whim is that they only eat live prey. Step 3. Nature has endowed them with a wonderful sensory system that detects the slightest vibrations in the surrounding space. Of the 6 pairs of scorpion legs, the first 2 complement the jaw system. The other 4 pairs of legs are involved in movement. Step 4. The scorpion grabs a gaping prey with a second pair of tenacious pincers, pedipalps, and instantly stings, preventing the slightest resistance. The special structure of the mouth does not allow him to swallow solid food. Therefore, with the first pair of small claws, chelicerae, the scorpion breaks the integumentary membranes of the victim's body and releases a special enzyme that converts the solid mass into a monotonous gruel. The muscular pharynx acts as a pump and draws the prepared mixture into the esophagus. Step 5. Considering the painstaking procedure, the scorpion eats for a long time. One beetle can take a whole day. Brothers help him to cope with larger prey. By stretching the cephalothorax plates, the scorpion can hold a large amount of food, literally inflating before our eyes. After one successful hunt, he can stay in a trance for several months, completely immersed in the process of digestion and assimilation of food, efficiency up to 70%. Thanks for watching.